So it's Saturday, and because we're going back to Italy soon, so we have to try to work a bit on the weekend. So on the summer, when everybody's off, we can still manage to have a 1 or 2 weeks holiday. And today, me, Jade, going to office with the architect / my husband, Roberto, to the office. And in Shanghai, normally we have the scooter. Every time we have to pass away the bamboo forest to come closer our building. This little bit old and historical building. Oh god, so much people on the weekend now. I really like the fact that every time when we come into our office, even when the clients come, that they cannot really park downstairs. They have to park over there on the bridge. Then they have to walk over here. I mean, apparently normally there is not that much people, but this time that's a lot of people. And we are on the top floor, and you can see these 3 windows and the other 2 windows, and on the other side is our office. Team, can you open the light? Here's my friend leave some flower and material for me to check. Voila. Welcome to the studio. And sometimes you see there's little, I don't know, is that tourist boat or it's just working boat. Very nice. It reminded me of the old day when I was living in London. I remember you can see the window outside, you can see the river. And then you can see the boat going through. It's kind of like a take your mind away. The water is always be a bit like elements. I think it's beautiful if we can eventually living close to water. It gives a lot of comfort. In the workshop we have this light, can give different cold light, warm light, and normal light, so neutral light, so give a different look when we're looking at the material. And let's see what he would say. Why are you trying to be mean to me on camera? I'll have the apple one today. Yeah, tell me. Wow, the weekend the weather is super good. You basically just wear a t-shirt. It's like 28 degrees, but it's very comfortable to walk under the shower. And Sunday, the plan is to meet my friend because we are going back to Europe for soon. So I was trying to meet my girls, and I don't know if people feel the same way how I felt about friendship. It's like we don't meet quite often, like every few months is sometime, but you still feel very close and connected with them. Whenever you just feel like to talk to them, you don't need like say, hey, how are you? You kind of just throw the question and then what you want to share directly to them. So yeah, and afternoon, me and Abby are planned to go to the park, have a bit of coffee there, and then it's a beautiful park. It's called the Jing'an Statue Park, which I'm gonna record. I quite like statues. On the birthday of 32 or something, 34 I remember, we actually went to Beijing to study with a statue artist. We really like him, and then it's like a birthday trip. Okay, see you later. Bello. This is one of our favorite small park. I mean, now Shanghai is almost 30 degrees, so it's making sense. Now it's what time? Like 5:10. So I guess it's making more sense to come out to the park now, no? To watching the sunset.
They don't close. What time?
I don't think it's closed anytime soon. He's going to gym after the park. It's like a couple dancing to each other. This is a nice kiosk, and they have temporary exhibition in there sometime. Here you can see people enjoying their cell phone. We came like 2 months ago, and so many cherry blossoms. It's so beautiful. All these kids. I always met cat when I come here to this park. They're very close to people. It's a bit romantic with some light shadow there. And there is some traditional Chinese writing on the stone on the wall. And also drawing as well for the different vegetation.
This reminds me of Jurassic Park.
This one?
Yeah, the fence here.
Right, you say that.
There's the Tyrannosaurus.
Like, it's really nice to have a water view. It's reflecting all the tree and views.
我给你交代的和上面的。
I'm counting tiles upon the kitchen floor on my heavy coat behind the door. Turn the phone face down, stay away from the noise that started yesterday. The kettle.
And I just received this summer 2026, so I can. They're interviewing Superfield on this season, so it's fun to look at.
Don't need a reason to explain why I'm keeping dry inside the rain just this way. Everything is okay. Half-read books and an unmade bed. Safe inside what's in my head. The clock is ticking, but I'm standing still, watching sunlight climb the windowsill. No heavy bags for me to carry now. I'm learning how to let it go.